P&J Productions now present pouring ale into a glass.
Bollocks.
To the place I've got in mind, in the old one bank. Yeah, amazing. I might not go up there straight away. I might just hang around a bit. Like I said, there's loads of seats all around the corner there. Further along, you've got like the old customs house building. I had a pint there when I was here last time. Yeah, so I might just find different places to sit down, keep having a couple of shots. I'm dying for a beer, like. So, yeah, I think I'm going to. Oh, I think I'm just going to. Oh, come on, let's get serious. I think I'm just going to sit down here and have a beer. Because I'm certainly not feeling queer. You alright? Nearly there.
I want you to find a phone, call Kelly and tell them they're all right. Then I want you to get in that van and drive straight back to the shelter. You can handle that, or I have to call the police. Go ahead.
I have to call the police.
No kids.
What? No kids.
Town fair.
Town
There
fair.
are no kids.
There are no kids.
But what's up? This is town.
Kids were never here. I remember.
About 48 hours ago, I brought you John Doe. I know you don't remember that. You're the one who's handling too many cases.
I like that Ariola. I think he'll be a good manager.
Carlos and Spencer and the John Doe. Kelly, they just.
I remember.
It's not a boy. It's not a boy.
Oh.
This is my pet. 5-year-old girl racing from I was her favourite, so she said, to be honest, Joe, I respect, really look after that. So I said,
Pressure on the way.
all the cows to reinvigorate my.
In one of his rare nights on the town, Gambino took in a performance by Frank Sinatra at the Westchester Premiere Theater. Sinatra may have been a star, but it was Gambino who received the royal treatment.
Sinatra invited him and his entire group into the dressing room. Between the two shows Sinatra was putting on, for the second show, it was going to start like at, say, 10 o'clock, for example, or it started at 10:40 that night, because Sinatra didn't want to chase him out of the room. It was like out of respect or something.
Gambino's dedication to his crime family matched his devotion to his own.
No, but I'm about pot scratching, which is like a pub snack. Same thing, but they can be very popular around the industrial area where Robert Plant comes from. And they're selling little packets with alongside scampi fries and shit like that. I would eat that shit for love nor money. I can't believe we've hardly got any cheese left. God, I need a block of cheese.
Check this out, I picked up my medicine today.
P&J Productions present a compilation of pouring. Oi! Fuck's sake. P&J Productions present a compilation of pouring.
Where is it glass?
And that's it.